Stock number 403460. It's a 2017 Renegade. Has front end damage. It does have a key. It does not start. The hood's no good. Front bumper's no good. Driver's side front headlights gone. It's a Jeep Limited 4x4. Got a little parking lot ding up here. This door right here may be bent a little bit. I'm not too sure because of that damage on the front fender, which the front fender is no good. The steering wheel airbag is deployed. The driver roof airbag is deployed. The driver knee airbag is deployed. The passenger dash airbag is deployed. The driver's seat airbag is deployed. The driver's seat belt is locked. The passenger seat belt is locked. It does have a key. It does not start. The passenger side visor, driver's side visor. There's the glove box. Again, this is a Jeep Renegade. Again, this is stock number 403460. It's a 2019 Renegade.